While we are talking about girls and women and the rights of women, I have the absolute pleasure of inviting one of the most celebrated actors that we have, female actors that we have in the nation, a self-made woman, someone who's always advocated women having their own opinions. Absolutely my favorite, Kajol.
Oh. Kajol, it's fantastic to have you with us. I remember, I think it was for the Support My School, one of the earlier campaigns that we were doing.
I did.
You'd come and we'd said that we are going to do something for the girl child, and you said that I have to be there for that.
Yes, I volunteered.
Well, I'm so glad that you actually volunteered and stuck by. That's amazing.
Thank you.
But I have to say that during the day, we've heard some really, really disturbing stories. All through the day, the statements that we've heard made, people saying that the girl should be killed before they are born, or if they are born, they should be starved to death. Ladki kuda hai, we heard somebody saying.
And
there were
camera,
positive stories, but lots of negative too.
And the mindsets, it was so bizarre and mind-boggling to me. They're on camera and we are talking about the fact कि आपकी बेटी की तबीयत ठीक नहीं है, उसको हॉस्पिटल भेज दो. नहीं, ज़रूरत नहीं है, जब तक भगवान ख्याल रखेगा उसका ठीक है. लड़का होता तो लेकर जाते. As clear as that. There was a woman who has almost starved 8 of her girl children because they couldn't kill them and she had only girl children. So they'd rather starve them to death. I mean, what do you think and what is your take, being an independent woman of today who's had, a family that has supported her? What is your take on the plight of women today?
I think it's, as you said, it's horrifying, it's terrifying. The fact that I have a daughter, frankly, it scares the shit out of me. Sorry, I'm not supposed to say that. But yeah, I think it's terrifying and it's horrible, yes. But I also think that it's not something that can be tackled in one day. I don't think that it's something that can, it's a mindset. As you put it very rightly, it's a mindset that has to be tackled a little bit at a time. It is a mindset that has to be changed with one topic at a time, really, to address that. Yes, we have a lot of other issues as well in our country, but I think the fact that we have to first and foremost value human life, whether it be male or female. I think that's one of the main things that
that's a really great
we
point.
really need to,
human life.
We as Indians really need to learn that. We need to value each and every human life. Yeah.
Absolutely, you're very, very right. While we have Kajol here,
I just wanted to introduce Kriti Bharti as well, who's the founder of Sarthi NGO. It's Jodhpur based. You've been doing a lot of work in getting child marriages annulled and how to deal with that particular situation. बहुत धन्यवाद आप हमारे साथ थी, हमारे साथ हैं और अभी आपसे बहुत सवाल पूछेंगे उसके बारे में. But Pranoy, anything you want to say to Kajol?
No, I just want to thank you enormously, because when people like you come forward, you have such a following across the country. It has an impact much bigger than you imagine.
How can we not? I think how can we not? It's as simple as that.
Right.
I think the fact that we are females, we are standing up for our gender somewhere down the line. Yes. But I think more than gender, it's something that you consider your social responsibility. If you can do something about it. I mean, we have lots of people who complain that oh, there are all these things happening across our country. बहुत सारी चीजें हो रहे हैं और ये रास्ते खराब है, ये खराब है, वो खराब है, और कोई खड़े होके कोई उसके बारे में कुछ कर नहीं रहा है. अगर आप उसके बारे में कुछ कर सकते हो और आप नहीं करते हो, मुझे लगता है वो सबसे बड़ा गुनाह होता है.